Hi, Allie.
Hi, Trish.
Welcome to the Grove at All American Citrus. Come on in.
Oh my gosh, that is a view. The energy in here is unbelievable.
Yes, it's warm and it's exciting and people just love spending time together here.
There's this blending of like the masculine and the feminine energy here because as women, there's no way that we would let our man have a pool table in the middle of the living room. But this gorgeous wood topper, it suddenly transforms the whole space into something so welcoming. It's a space you want to gather, and the landscape, it just takes it to this other level. So when we say farm to table,
this is literally
the farm.
Yes.
We go and we make the mimosas at the table.
Yes.
Oh my, I mean, it doesn't get better than that. We can wake up in the morning, we can go pick oranges.
Yes, you can pick some
right
oranges.
outside.
Yes.
And then make some,
oh
my gosh.
homemade mimosas right there.
Talk about a perk of a property.
Exactly.
There are hummingbirds
Yes.
everywhere.
Yep.
Even the animals are like, hi,
You're
hello.
right. Yes.
Are you a princess?
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
That hot tub with fresh mimosa in your hand, hummingbirds are buzzing around you.
Yes. Yes.
I mean, does it get better than that?
It doesn't.
And the tan that you're gonna get here. This is gonna make your bachelor party look pretty cool.
Plenty of areas to get ready inside the house. We have makeup areas and lots of lighting, and it's perfect.
How many bedrooms do we have?
5 bedrooms, 4 in the main house, and then we have the Casita, which also have 2 sets of Murphy beds with a privacy wall.
Wow.
So, and we can sleep 14.
Amazing.
Yes.
How many bathrooms do we have?
So we have 3 full bathrooms.
Perfect.
Yes.
That's great. And then there's an amazing pool. Maybe we take a little dip.
Yeah,
spend the day by the pool.
The pool, and even using the Casita as open space because it opens up, and who knows, getting a pickleball match together.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
Little bridesmaids versus bridesmaids pickleball match.
Yes.
And I've got to tell you, in that Casita, which we've affectionately been calling the man cave.
Yes.
You've got those double TVs, which are so perfect if you're gonna like watch the Super Bowl, watch the big games.
Yes. There's even a small eat-in kitchen area, so everything's right there, so you don't have to be going back and forth.
Trish, thank you so much for having me. This place is paradise. Should we take a look at that view?
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Cheers.